Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sena Nashwari Ferin, a student from Chemistry Class A with student ID number 240603110035. In here, I will answer several questions from the final semester examination of the course History of Islamic Civilization under the supervision of Professor Dr. Munirul Abidin MAG. For the first question, I will explain Umayyad dynasty. The Umayyad Caliph was established after the death of Caliph Ali bin Abi Thalib in 661 CA by Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan, who moved the capital to Damascus and introduced a hereditary monarchy system. Its golden age occurred during the reign of Abdul Malik bin Marwan and Al-Walid I, marked by territorial expansion to Spain and India, development of infrastructure, and administrative reforms. Unlike the previous caliphate system based on consultation, the Umayyad adopted dynastic succession. During this time, Islamic civilization progressed in architecture, governance, military organization, and early sciences. For the second question, I will explain the history of the establishment of the Abbasid Caliph, the peak of its golden age and its indicators, the achievement of Islamic civilization during the Abbasid period, and the causes of its decline. Abbasid dynasty. The Abbasid Caliph was founded in 750 CA after overthrowing the Umayyads by descendants of Abbas, the prophet uncle. The golden age came under Harun al-Rashid and al-Ma'mun, characterized by the establishment of the Bait al-Hikmah, advance in science, philosophy, medicine, mathematics, and literature. Meanwhile, the Umayyad era had already laid foundation in administration, urban planning, and Arabization. The Abbasid decline was caused by internal conflict, independent local dynasties, foreign invasion, notably the Mongol, and reliance on non-Arab troops. For the third question, I will describe the history of the Muslim conquest of Spain, the development of Islamic civilization in the region, and the reasons behind the fall of Islamic power in Spain. Conquest and civilization in Spain. Muslim forces led by Tariq bin Ziyad began the conquest of Spain in 711, flourished with Cordoba becoming a center of learning and culture, producing scholars like Ibn Rushdi and Al-Zahrawi. Significant achievements included progress in philosophy, architecture, medicine, and mathematics. However, Islamic rule fell due to internal division, Taifah states, Christian reconquest efforts, political weakness, and the final fall of Granada in 1492. For the fourth question, I will present my opinion regarding the claim that Islam was an imperialist religion, and I will provide argument to support whether I agree or disagree with that statement. Islam and imperialism. I disagree with the view that Islam was imperialistic in spreading its power. Islamic expansion was largely achieved through peaceful means such as trade, education, and preaching. Even during conquest, Islam promoted justice, justice, and allowed religious freedom. Many regions, including Indonesia, embraced Islam without force. The purpose was not colonization, but to spread monotheism and justice. For the fifth question, I will explain the reasons why Kemal Atatürk transformed the Ottoman Empire into the Republic of Turkey. The concept of westernization he introduced, and whether I agree or disagree with his approach along with my reasoning. Kemal Atatürk and westernization. Kemal Atatürk abolished the Ottoman Caliphate in 1924 and established the Republic of Turkey to modernize the country through secularization. His westernization included adopting Latin script, abolishing Islam courts, and promoting Western dress and education. I do not agree with this approach because it erases Islamic identity and values, replacing them with secularism and materialism, which disconnected the people from their spiritual heritage. That concludes my answer to the final semester examination question for the course History of Islamic Civilization. I hope my explanations are clear, accurate, and beneficial. Thank you for the opportunity to take part in this examination. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.